Hey my lovely people, this is Nishtha and I welcome you back to my channel, and today the theme is minty fresh eyes with a hint of pink. We are starting with moisturizing our face with Pond's new gel-like moisturizer. I really need to check the name, and we are gonna spread this, massage this all over my face. It's smooth, it's gel-like, it's superb. So next we're gonna moisturize our lips with lip repair oil from SKOG. Moving on to the primer from Nykaa, Prep Me Up. It's really good for the beginners, very affordable, mattifying. I'm pressing it on my nose, chin and a bit of on my cheeks, basically the concern areas. I'm correcting my eye area with LA Girl Color Corrector orange shade. Just putting it a little bit on my eyes for now and blending it with the beauty blender from the drugstore. Guys, a quick note, please do not go overboard with this orange corrector. Now our K-Beauty's eyebrow pencil. I'm filling it in quickly. I'm actually not quickly filling it in. I have just made this a little faster than the last time. I felt that it might get boring in between. Please do not forget to use a spoolie. Now I am using LA Girl Concealer, pure beige, all over my lid. We are first gonna work on our eyes and then we'll move on to our face. We'll set it up with K-Beauty's loose powder in the shade Almond. Work with TATI Beauty Volume 1 palette. I'm starting with the pink color. It's a beautiful shade. I am putting it in the crease and outer corner of my eyes and blending all the harsh lines with a fluffy brush from Pro Arte. Time for some tea break. Next is Huda Beauty's the mint eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow along with the glitter one. It's a 2-in-1, very easy to use. I've put it all over my inner corner. You'll have to take it more than half of your lid because that's how the proportion works on your eye area. So the darker shades remains like approximately on 1/4 of the lid and the rest is all covered with your inner shade. And I am blending both the colors so that there are no harsh lines. Next is highlighting the inner eyebrow area and then moving back to my melted Huda Beauty eyeshadow. The second eye off camera, and now I'm correcting all rest of the pigmented areas on my face with the same LA Girl orange corrector and blending it with the same blender from the drugstore brand. Everything will be in the description box for you guys to buy. And back to our LA Girl pure beige concealer to cover our orange areas. Do not leave it, do not go overboard with this color because you can end up looking very bronzed or orange with this. Blend it properly, take your time, and I'm cleaning the eye area with vibes, you can do it with cotton bud or anything that you feel easier with. Quickly setting my concealer with K Beauty Almond Loose Powder. Now I'll be filling my lower waterline area with the same matte mint color, and I'll blend it with the fluffy brush from Pro Arte, and I'll use some brown shade to blend the harsh lines from the same palette. Here comes my favorite Kajal from Colorbar. MesmerEyes Eyes is the name, and I'm filling it in properly. I basically want my upper line and lower line to be filled. Next is NYX Professional Makeup's eyeliner. It's thin, it helps you make that precise lines, and guys, do not stretch your skin while eyelining your eyes, please. Please avoid that as much as it is possible. This cute mascara is from Smashbox. It's super fan mascara, and I poked my eyes. Please do not do that. I'm applying very thin layer of it because I'm gonna put some really big eyelashes today. And back with my melted eyeshadow, I am basically highlighting that green area. I want it to pop out. Here comes my beautiful Drama Queen eyelashes from Glamaholic with Lash Paradise. Wow, no, Lash Fixer from Pack Cosmetics. Oh my god, what is happening? And now I'm covering my lower lashes with the same Superfan mascara. The brush of this mascara is awesome. It's very easy to use, and let's ignore my monkey face. Next is Milani's foundation. It's conceal and foundation together, as they claim. However, I like to use my concealer because I've tried it using I've tried using it Akela, and it doesn't work for me. I look grey or white. Next is cult favorite Huda bronzer from Benefit. Applying it below my cheekbone and around my face and on my nose and below my jawline as well to create that shadow. Who doesn't like a chiseled face? I'll be using Flower Beauty's Blush Pots Peach Primrose with Pro Arte blush brush. It's a very matte, peachy, beautiful shade, and the pots are extremely pigmented and affordable. Highlighting my face with K Beauty's Illuminating Classic Gold Powder. It is basically for body, as they say, but I love to use it on my face as well. It gives me that really nice classic gold, actually the name. Yes, it gives me that kind of look and I love it. And I overdid it, which I'm trying to mend here. Setting up my face with the Smashbox Primer Water. Although it is called as Primer Water, but you can definitely use it for fixing your makeup as well. Moving on with my Sugar Cosmetics Peach Lipstick. It's from their Matters Hell range. Topping it up with L'Oreal Rouge Lipstick. I Amaze. Beautiful range, both of those. And I'm ready. Hope you guys like it. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.